Good morning, everyone. Mohammad Arshad from Decoding Data Science. Today, we are looking at how to start with Google Gemini, and I wanted to start the journey with you guys. So, the website that you need to go to is ai.google.dev. So, this is a website which it has started for everyone to start accessing this in a very easy to use interface for every even non-coders and coders. So when you go to ai.google for dev, and this is what it is mentioned, the branding is how you can use Google AI for developer and build with Gemini. So two most important things to build with Gemini is to get your API key. And as you go to ai.google.dev, I'll share this link also in our video. You will have something called as this particular key. So you need to go. So there are that if you see this website, there are a lot of details which I've talked in multiple videos about the three models, but right now Gemini Pro is available, which we are going to talk about, and there are different codes that they have given. If you go through this document, it is going to do that. But before we start, you need an API key. All of you know how to get an OpenAI API key. I have told every one of you, but you need to have an API key even to use the Google Gemini model. So first, it's a very simple step that I will make you go through. So once you click get API key, and I'm doing it live with you guys as well. Once you click this application, you will get this particular key. You have to makersuits.google, and it is going to ask you few questions. So first thing is you need to sign in with your Google sign in. So you are basically creating your account in this Google AI Studio that is inside MakerSuite Google. I give consent. So there are few things. Just read the terms and conditions. What it's mentioning. Use of Google AI Studio are subject to Google API terms and services. If you want to read in details the API terms and services, please go ahead. You may use the API for production use, but Google may enforce rate limits. So we know that 60 rate per limit is free, but per minute, but anything above that there is a cost. Don't submit sensitive confidential. So it is telling us, it is warning us for all the rules that we have been talked about earlier. If I zoom in, if you guys can read this clearly, don't submit sensitive information. Generative AI models are experimental technology and may sometimes provide inaccurate answers. And then we have few caveats. So personally, I can only do this. I don't need to do any other things for now. This is the mandatory ones. I don't want to receive. Already I have so many emails that are coming from various things. So I'll just do continue. Yeah. So first thing is, so you can play around with this. You can write here testing. You can do this testing, and you can start writing here. What is decoding data science company? Let us see. So now the temperature, I will keep it okay. No stop sequence. So this is something similar like playground, and I will just do a run. Okay, amazing. So it has got all the details of the company from my About Me page about all the wonderful things that our company does for the community. So this is something that you can test around, you can play around, you can also insert images as well. That is there. Switch to a vision model. So right now we are in Gemini Prime model. If you want to go to vision model, then you can also insert an image. To load, it is taking some time. So let me take one sample image of this. Add to prompt. Explain this image. The drive will take some time to load. So this will explain the image. It is using the Vision Pro model, and it will give us an output. I think I have to put the image after the text, or yeah. So can you see this? This they have taken this image and they have written about this. This is from they have identified that this is Ventagjökull. This is the largest glacier in Iceland and the second largest in Europe. So this is working. Any other image right now? I think it has to take some time for your drive to load. So because my drive is already, you can see. Let me just take any other photo. Let me take this photo and see if we are able to. Yeah, there is some issue in the loading of the drive because of the too many files that are there, but we can play around with this. Before I quickly, you can play around with this, you can play around with Google Pro, but I will request you to, the main thing is, you go how to get your API key. Google AI Studio creates a new Google project for each. You can create an API key in existing Google Pro project, note, or the Gemini API is a public preview, the production application not yet supported in a new project or in an existing project. So I can take, if you are first time using, just click this in a new project. It is by default, it is going to create an API key. Save this API key because you need to use it when you are using it. So take this, your API key, do not share this, save this somewhere. And now in the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to use this API key in our platform. So save it here. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to use the API key and have a great day.